to InfoComm 2026. My name is Tim from Navori Labs, and I'm here to demonstrate the IPTV system by IUF and how that system works. So let's talk about what we're looking at. To start with, we've got our traditional digital signage screen running traditional content. Now, if we wanted to trigger some IPTV content, what we can use is the IUF app, which they built for us custom. Scan the QR code here, and we'll see on my mobile phone, we'll see that instance trigger turn up. There's a unique code, so I can connect in with the code here, N86M. Now, bearing in mind, this is one example, and it's useful for trade shows to be able to have this turn up and then be restarted, but IPTV is not dedicated to any trigger web application. This is just a great example for us to demonstrate this at the booth today. So if I take my screen, which is running a traditional digital signage content, MP4 files, images, whatever that might be, and I say, actually, I'd like to watch the golf, I can click that trigger. That trigger will send the IPTV stream straight into the screen here, and within a couple of seconds, you'll see that content swap over to the live IPTV stream. Now, this is one example of this working. You can see that golf stream is now running. You could have multiple instances. You could have multiple IPTV streams layered on top of each other if you wanted to have like a multi-zone effect. The capability here is Navori's infrastructure being able to deliver the IPTV, whether that by the local network or some kind of box, all being able to be delivered in the digital signage in the exact same way as you would do with traditional media, images, and videos. And with IUF, they've made that possible with this web application to make it nice and easy for us. But whatever trigger source you want, whether that be a web trigger, whether that be a localized trigger or a physical button or interface, that's totally possible. If you've got any questions or would like to learn a little bit more about IPTV with Navori Labs, feel free to reach out to us. Thanks very much.